What's going on, guys? Angelo here, back with another automotive video. Today I'm going to actually be installing my rear wiper blade for my Toyota RAV4. I'm pretty sure this works on every model, but this is by the TRICO brand, and hope you guys enjoy the video.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to eat it.
So as you can see here, this is the 10-inch version. I'll leave it in the link description below if you guys really want to check it out. And I'll leave a couple other links as well for some other wiper blades, because there's various ones that you can get off of Amazon. So I'll leave a couple down there for you guys. There's no affiliate link or anything. Nobody's sponsoring it. So let's check it out really quick. This took forever to come, by the way. But this is pretty much the only way to get it, beside for it to not cost a lot. It took a baby about a week and a half. Obviously, even with Prime, it still took a long time. I guess they lost it and then they found it or something. This is what it looks like, as you see here. Just very tiny. It's basically factory, the OEM, but it's just by TRICO. I'll show you all how to remove it first, and then we'll install this one. So hopefully you guys can hear me because it's a little windy outside. But basically what you're going to want to do is go ahead and lift up on this part, and this is going to come off that easily. Then after that, you're going to go ahead and pull back. As you can see, this one was already shredded apart. I had this one on for a while now. They last maybe a couple of months, maybe about probably 6 to 7 months. I'd recommend you change it after that though, especially for the back one. If you have a silicone one, you don't have to do that, but they don't have any silicones for the rear wiper. And you're going to push back again. Now after you do that, you're going to go ahead and just push back and clock it back. And there you have it. Really easy to come off, super simple. But as you guys can see, I was dealing with this every time it would rain outside. I'd have to deal with this thing just splattering more water around. It just wasn't helping. And this is going to be the other one. So as you can tell, it's literally just the factory one. It even looks the exact same. So we're going to go ahead and plop this on. Like I said, it's really inexpensive. Plop this one on. Should click into place. Wait for it to click. And there you have it. Then you put it back down, click this back and paste, and then you're all set to go. That's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you all did enjoy. If it was helpful, remember to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Don't forget to comment and let me know if this was really helpful for you. Till next time, you guys, peace out.